Welcome to a video by TAM Solutions on building your bespoke walk-on site designs and risk assessments for your specialist processes. This is the master file you receive when purchasing, which allows you to build multiple bespoke designs for all your processes. Currently, it's completely empty. If we click on a couple of tabs, there's no real information in there at all. We're now going to look at how to build a system for a bespoke process. Click on main menu and go to number 10, which is build the system. It takes us to this sheet. At the top here it says to build your system, following the instructions in red in the 4 numbered columns. So each column, 1, 2, 3, etc., has red writing which tells you what to do in each column. Up here you've got some instructional information on the sort of thing you would want to be putting in, and also some examples here alongside each column of the sort of thing you would like to enter. So let's build a system, let's say for micro asphalt footways. So let's put the process as micro footways, and in these white cells here, as it says, a pull down list to suit that heading. So let's put standard and premium. You can enter other things, but that'll at least give you some pull down list to save you some typing. Let's go to the next heading and we'll put stone size. And let's enter 3, 5, 6, 7 in the pull down list. And then we'll go to the next heading, we'll put spread rate. And let's put down some spread rates, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Then let's put a heading for the number of days it will take. Just as a pull down list, let's put 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to want to put something like inspected by, and possibly if you jointly inspected, we'll put inspected with. And then let's just put other. So that's some information into the process specifics. So let's put in now some site tasks to quantify. So let's start off with double coats. That will be square meterage. And then we want to put some information for cutting back grass. So let's call it side. So we'll put side to 150 millimeters, and that wants to be in linear meters. So let's put side to 200 millimeters, because obviously that's going to be more expensive for the client, and meters, and we'll put a couple of more in. So side to 300, and that will be meters. Side to 400, and again that will be meters, and side to 500, and again that will be meters. And then let's put in some ironwork adjustment, so small irons, and that will be a quantity. Medium irons, such as a fire hydrant, that will be a quantity. And then large irons, and that will be a quantity. So to save a bit of time, I think you get the gist of what's going on there. I'm just going to input some more information quite quickly into that column. Now let's move across to the safety site specifics area. So now we're going to put in a bit of information into here to look at the TAM site specifics. So let's put weed kill as the heading, and once, one time, 2 times, or none. That can be the pull down list. Then let's put pressure wash. That's going to be yes or no. The next one, let's put pedestrian marshal, and that would be the whole site or part of site or none. And then if we go to number 4 and let's put, is it a single-sided footway? And we could then again put part of site or all of site. And again, I think you get the gist of what I'm doing, so I'm going to just input some more information quickly. So further down here, we've got some more information about traffic lights, stop and go, footway closures, restricted hours, traffic management, etc., etc. So now we go to the 4th column there, and this is where we enter hazards. So let's put in bus route. Then we can put, are there blocks or channels? Should we put doctors or surgery? And then we could put other emergency services. And again, I think you get the gist. I'll input some more information quickly. So schools, are there hedges to cut back? Are there invasive weeds? Overhead services, shops, presence of draining, stats required, etc., etc., etc. Now that's pretty straightforward. And now we can build the system with that information. Once you do build the system, it cannot be undone, so you should check everything that you've inputted. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the build system button. It took us back to the main screen. And if we now quickly check on a couple of the tabs, the input, the tasks and the sheets. So if we go to input, all the information is now there, ready to input into each site, site 1, site 2, site 3, etc. If we go to the tasks tab, all the pull down lists are now there that we've entered for all the tasks. If we go to a sheet, we can now see that the information that we've entered, all this here, is already on the sheets, ready for walking and building the design of your process. Also, if we go to the main menu and we go to look at the summary, so if we go to summary, which is number 6, and OK, and what you'll see is all the headings that you've entered are all there, ready for summarization. If we go to the estimating sheet, all the information there for your quantifiable design is ready to be priced and calculated the totals at the end. You can run a summary and you can add more information into here for more estimating capabilities. And that pretty much is now built ready for you to start using on that process. I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you're interested in purchase, would you please contact t.a.m.solutions@outlook.com. Thank you very much.